Welcome to the Anna Darpan Sales Module demo. In this session, we will walk you through the process of commodity allocation and commodity distribution, a key feature that ensures smooth movement of commodities across various schemes and states. Let us begin by logging in as a sales headquarters user. Once logged in, navigate to the Scheme Allocation Management section from the main menu and select Allocate Commodity. This screen allows HQ users to allocate specific commodities to active government schemes based on the planning cycle. On the Allocate Commodity page, you can view the fields required for allocation. Here, we'll select the state, choose the scheme, and pick the commodity. Next, enter the allocation quantity in metric tons. Set the allocation duration, starting from year and ending year. Once all details are filled in, review them carefully and click on the Submit button. The system now validates the input and displays a confirmation message. This confirms that the allocation has been successfully created for the selected scheme. Now we will explore the process of commodity distribution. The next crucial step after commodity allocation. This process ensures that the allocated commodities are systematically distributed to specific regions and revenue districts for implementation under the approved schemes. Log in the system as a General Manager region. Navigate to Scheme Management, and then click on Commodity Distribution. This opens the Commodity Distribution screen, where regional officers manage the distribution of allocated commodities across districts. Start by selecting the state and choosing the scheme. Next, select the commodity. The system automatically fetches the available allocation details for the selected scheme and commodity, ensuring that distribution remains within the allocated limits. Now define the distribution details. From the Revenue District drop-down, we will select the zone and enter the quantity in metric tons. Click on the Add Record button. This adds the record to the list below, allowing us to continue adding multiple districts in one session. Now, select another revenue district and again specify in metric tons as the quantity. Each record represents a district-level allocation derived from the total commodity available under the scheme. Review all entries and confirming the quantities, click on the Submit button to finalize the distribution. The system validates the data and displays a success confirmation. This confirms that the selected districts have been successfully assigned their respective quantities. Once submitted, users can view the completed records in the Distribution Summary section. Here, the scheme name, state, commodity, district, and quantity are clearly listed, reflecting accurate tracking for every regional dispatch. This ensures transparency and traceability in how commodities move from central allocation to district-level implementation. This concludes the demonstration of commodity allocation and distribution in the sales module. Thank you.